ways to succeed with zero talent. And the first one is be on time. Just honor others by respecting their time. Earning respect starts by giving it. Second is show up and do the work. If they praise you, show up and do the work. If they criticize you, show up and do the work. And if no one even notices you, just show up and do the work. Why? Because just keep showing up, doing the work is the way to lead your ways. Third one is give your best in all that you do. It doesn't matter what everyone else or is not doing. Just focus on your contributions every day. When you give your best, you will inspire others to give their best too. Fourth one is be positively contagious. Your attitude is contagious, so choose to be vitamin C today. Look for opportunities to encourage and uplift those around you. Fifth one is have an attitude of gratitude. Every day we have a choice. We can choose to be grateful and see the good in all that we have, or else we can get anger, fear, doubt, and insecurities rob us of our joy and the life we are meant to live. The choice is yours today. Number 6 is seek solutions versus dwelling on problems. How you see the world determines the world you see. When you seek solutions, you see a world of possibilities and are able to overcome every challenge. Number 7 is have passion, because passion fuels your purpose. The strongest may survive, but it is the passionate that will thrive. So get excited today. Number 8 is be coachable. Stay humble and hungry and be a lifelong learner. The best of the best are always striving to get better, and so should you. Number 9 is do more than what is required. Average efforts generates average results. If you want more, then just do more. Even a little extra each day can create big results over time. And last, number 10 is believe in yourself. Stop listening to the self-sabotaging voices in your mind. Talk to yourself and feed the positives instead of listening to the negatives. Because you matters. You are capable. You can do great things and you are here for a reason. That is all what you have to believe in. So make sure you are following these 10 things with no cheat. And do comment your thoughts below and share with your friends and family just to help them increase their value. I think many of you might relate yourself with all these things. So try to avoid them and live a meaningful and joyful life. So stay happy and stay tuned for more content like this. This is Divya from Tegonity Academy. We'll see you soon in a very new video. So to get notified for the next one, subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon. Goodbye.